Hello, I'm Benjamin, developer from Mountbatten. This is the last video of mTrac website user training. In this video, I'll be showing mTrac users how to remove content or delete content and explain how publishing and unpublishing content works. The first step is to log in, and to do that, you just have to scroll down the page and click the login link. And on the login page, you fill in your username and then password and click on login. And upon logging in, you are directed to your dashboard page, and here you can do different actions. And the deletion action is mainly performed by the content approvers, but I logged into the system as a content editor, and to do that, for example, to delete this blog post, I'll go to edit and then scroll down the edit page for this blog, and there is a delete button as one of the buttons on the end of the page. So I'll just go right ahead and click it, and then it will the site will ask me if I really want to delete this, and I'll just go ahead and click delete, and then that content is automatically deleted. For publishing, on the other hand, means the general public can see that content, while when the content is unpublished, and it can only whereas when the content is unpublished, it can only be viewed by users who are logged into the site, and the general public cannot view that piece of content. A simple example is creating a simple piece of content. I'll just create a blog post quickly here, and I'll say it's of course published by me. I will add a body for testing purposes, and then one term, and I'll click save. So when I go to my dashboard, I can see that this piece of content is not published, and if I copy the URL of this piece of content and then I log out, and then I try to browse to that piece of content, I'll get an access denied because this piece of content is not published, and it cannot be seen by anyone who is not logged into the system. On the other hand, if I go back and log in as the same person, and I go to that piece of content, I can view it. And this means to view it, I need to tell my content approver to publish my content. I'll just log out and then log in as a test content approver, and then publish this piece of content. For example, if I go content approver and then log in, I'll be able to see that piece of content on the content to be published link, and then I'll just go ahead and then publish it. And when I go and when I log out and visit the same URL to that piece of content, then I can see it as an anonymous user or as a normal person in the public, because now this piece of content is published. So that's the simple difference between content that is unpublished and then published. Thank you very much for all your attention.